Hey guys, don't worry, I'm here to help you to fix this problem with the step-by-step perfect solution. So let's begin.
Click on advanced options, then we need to select troubleshoot, then select advanced options and then click on command prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:, then hit enter. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space System32 and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now type copy *** backup and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space ** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Then type dir and simply hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space C:/ bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Now type cd space C:/ and simply hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot/bcd -h-r-s and hit enter. Type in ren C:/boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.